I go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I wear an apron.
I wear an apron.
I tie my hair back.
I tie my hair back.
I get ready to cook.
I get ready to cook.
I open the fridge.
I open the fridge.
I take out the vegetables.
I take out the vegetables.
I take out the eggs.
I take out the eggs.
I take out some meat.
I take out some meat.
I put the food on the table.
I put the food on the table.
I take a bowl.
I take a bowl.
I take a plate.
I take a plate.
I take a spoon.
I take a spoon.
I take a cutting board.
I take a cutting board.
I check the ingredients.
I check the ingredients.
I read the recipe.
I read the recipe.
I prepare the kitchen.
I prepare the kitchen.
Everything is ready now.
Everything is ready now.
Let's start cooking.
Let's start cooking.
I wash the vegetables.
I wash the vegetables.
I rinse the tomatoes.
I rinse the tomatoes.
I peel the potato.
I peel the potato.
I peel the onion.
I peel the onion.
I cut the carrot.
I cut the carrot.
I slice the cucumber.
I slice the cucumber.
I chop the onion.
I chop the onion.
I cut the meat.
I cut the meat.
I break an egg.
I break an egg.
I put the egg in a bowl.
I put the egg in a bowl.
I add some salt.
I add some salt.
I add some sugar.
I add some sugar.
I add some pepper.
I add some pepper.
I add some oil.
I add some oil.
I mix the ingredients.
I mix the ingredients.
I stir the eggs.
I stir the eggs.
I wash the rice.
I wash the rice.
I put the rice in the cooker.
I put the rice in the cooker.
I add some water.
I add some water.
The ingredients are ready.
The ingredients are ready.
I turn on the stove.
I turn on the stove.
I heat the pan.
I heat the pan.
I pour in some oil.
I pour in some oil.
The oil is hot now.
The oil is hot now.
I put the onions in the pan.
I put the onions in the pan.
I stir the onions.
I stir the onions.
I add the vegetables.
I add the vegetables.
I add the meat.
I add the meat.
I cook the food slowly.
I cook the food slowly.
I fry an egg.
I fry an egg.